Hi YouTube, I'm going to show you the comparison between the Marantec 4500E um, with the LiftMaster 8500W. So we'll see how it's different between the noisy, like how noisy that is. So now I'm going to show you the Marantec 4500M. Okay, that's the opening. Now I'm going to close. So after it's closed, then I'm going to disconnect. I mean, this one is kind of like it been broken, so I'm going to disconnect. Okay, it's loose now. So now this is my LiftMaster 8500. So I just want to show you that this Marantec, it did engage. So now I'm going to use LiftMaster 8400W. Now it's open. Now I'm closing by press the button here. So, and then this after it closes, it lock. So the deadbolt it lock. So according to this comparison, so the LiftMaster 8500 is a little quiet and also run a little faster than Marantec 4500. I'm doing again. We hear it's unlocked and then moving. So after it close, you will hear very loud noise from the deadbolt. Thank you for watching YouTube. I just want to show you the comparison between Marantec 4500E, which LiftMaster 8500 video. So, all right, thank you.